And I've picked up these tools from Tyler Tools, which I follow on Twitter. Really good, never used them before. But the idea is these go under each tile. So let me just put that there, put that underneath. So when you've laid the tiles, we'll put one on every single corner. This cap screws on the top, and it helps pull the slabs nice and even on the top. Never used them before, but I'm going to give it a whirl. Just in case anybody skipped forward and you didn't see me actually do any installation of the tiles, I'll just show you what it's like. Right, so a couple of trowelfuls. Like I said before, it's slightly wetter, this mix, but those little gizmos are actually helping me from any of the tiles from moving. So nice bit of cement going on there. If I get the exact amount you need. So I'm going to stick some of these things in again. Sticking one in there, one in there, one there. They do actually say it's like a self-leveling, but it's not really. It does help lock them together, but the slabs are so heavy it's hard to pick up. Right, so nice dollop of primer on the back of these. One of the most important parts of the job. Gotta get these things completely coated. Okay, that's ready. Spin around. Ding. Right, pop it on. Get as close as you can. The soft part of the mallet. There we go, that's pretty much it. And spin the caps on. Like I said, they don't actually help lift it up like a self-leveling, but it does lock them in place. So at least that's a bonus. But yeah, we'll carry on now for the rest of the day. Just going to finish this row off, and we're going to call it a day then. Cool. I'm going to tap me a boot, so let's have a little go. There's 1, 2, 3. That looks easy enough. So I'll pop those off now and stick them in a bag ready to reuse them another time.